heavier than her. I'm
Go forward. Towards me. Go backwards all the way.
This is
Good teamwork.
scary. We're not about to hit the TV.
Forward.
Stop squeezing me. Let me down.
As he's eating popcorn.
Girl, what are you doing? You're not equaling it out.
Go backwards.
Careful.
Careful.
You're heavier than me at the back pocket.
Now forwards.
You're also like standing so weirdly. Put out your